Welcome! How are my little children? Are you doing fine? So today we are making a beautiful prawn, a beautiful orange prawn like this. Isn't it beautiful? Now I know my little children can also make this prawn with me. So now we need a perfectly square piece of paper like this, which is orange in color. Now this is quite easy to make, so fold it in half like this so that you get two triangles. Open it up, bring this upper edge to the middle line. Do the same thing on the other side. Now this edge comes to the middle line here. Now if you fold it like this, the paper might not stay firmly, so keep your finger like this or keep your hand like this and then fold it in. Do the same thing on the other side. Keep your hand and then push it down or fold it down. Make sure that all these corners are perfectly folded. Now open it up. Then fold it in two again so that you get two halves. Now what we are going to do is turn it like this so that the openings is away from us. Now hold it like this, and this opening side is the top of your prawn. So keep hold of the paper like this and then slowly cut along the edge. You have to be very careful, because if you cut it for too long or if you cut it for in a size that is too thick, that will also look bad. Not up till to the very top, but to some extent you have to cut in, then fold it in again like this and push these little pieces out. Then this edge comes to the middle, same as the other side. We are going to do it on this side as well. Now this corner, we are making the head with this corner, so fold it in and then keep a little space and fold it backwards. Now fold it in half again. Now you'll need the scissors, so slowly cut a little piece like this. Be careful with your hands, children. So when you cut it out, you will get a small piece of area where there's a hole in it. So now those little parts that we had cut earlier, put them in. It's a very small hole, so be careful when you are putting these in. Keep the folding lines the same way as they were. Now this corner we have to fold backwards or upwards like this. and press in the edges and then fold it back again, keeping a little gap. Make sure all the lines are lined. Again keep some space and fold it in, and again the same thing. Don't go quite upwards, quite to the top. Do it, leave a little space and fold it. Make sure that these corners are lined so that it looks nice. Fold it upwards again. Fold it backwards, then keeping some space on top. Do it repeatedly. Now I think it's enough. So because we need a little tail part as well. Now slowly fold it into half. Now our basic shape of the prawn is complete. Now how do we make his body a bit curved? So slowly now bring these down like this. Slowly pull it out so that you get the curvy shape of our prawn. Now draw his eyes. And there we have it, our little prawn. So if you want to make it nicer, you can curl the antennas a bit. See our prawn? Don't you like it, my children? So you can make beautiful things using the prawns. So to make these and many more other origami craft, subscribe, like and comment to our videos, because we have new ones coming every day for you, for my children. And do send us your comments what you think about the videos. See you soon.